All right, we're live now. Good. All right. All right, my camera died. One second. All right, where are we at? Ooh. All right. Let's check higher time frame. Seems like we're obviously going for this 10-15 high from yesterday. Don't really have anything to keep us from hitting it. No fair value gaps there. I mean, we have this last 1 minute actually. So once we break above this 1 minute, we should hit that high. So I'll be looking for a short if we take out this high. Let me mark it on both as well. Pretty sure it's this AM high here. Yeah. So how long till market? Oh, market already opened. Yo, market open was so trash, bro. What? These candles are still crazy, like yesterday. What's up, Hurricane? Higher time frame tells us we want to take out this buy side here, so that's what I'm looking for. So then I'll look for a short off of it. So we're just chilling right now, looking for buy side to probably get taken. Again, I'm open. We create LRLR when doing it. Get a short in the macro. Something like that would be good. I don't even really know if we're gonna take it because we do still have this 1 minute here. But higher time frame is telling us. I mean, there's not even a 5 minute. There's not a 3 minute either. Already closed above the last 3 minute. 2 minute. We closed above the last 2 minute as well. So, well, only thing is 1 minute, maybe 30-second has something there, but that's what I'm looking for right now. Unless we get a pullback, so like we could get maybe delivery off like 15 minute here and get a long setup. Could get something like this. It's possible. All right, I'm gonna go grab a water real quick. I'm gonna go snack actually. Okay. Banana bread, bro. Whole loaf of banana bread. So tapped into the 15 minute here. Unfortunately, no 1 minute. Though we could have a possible 2 minute. Though it looks like we're gonna reject before we get one. Damn. Seems like we're not gonna get one. I was thinking maybe we get one more leg here. Don't really have anything here. ES is a lot closer to buy side right now though. Sucks that there's nowhere to take a setup here. Bro, I wish we got like a fair value gap here, bro. Because I know this is gonna go up, bro. There's no way this doesn't go up here. So we're delivering from this. Dang, can't even forward test a 15 second. I really wish we got a setup here, but for that 1 minute, the tiny 1 minute, yeah. I'm not taking off of that. That's like horrible. I really wish we got something there. Like, bro, like maybe if this wick wasn't all the way up and we could connect to these two, like if that wick was a little bit lower and there was two small ones, I would have connected them and I would have entered right here. I really wish we had that. Oh my gosh, bro, stop loss would have been crazy. We would have hit partials already though. With stop to break even right there, but definitely not taking that small one. There's not even any on the 15 second, bro. Like, or the 30 second. Like, there's this tiny one up here. But, like, bro, I wish we'd gotten that 2 minute maybe as well. That one would have been decent. Let me see, did ES have one? ES did have a valid setup, but it would have just entered now, and there is an SMT, so. So this one could come back to break even. Though I didn't take it because, again, that one really small. Hoping maybe we get an SMT with buy side and we could get a short something. Okay, so possible setup here. Let's see what we get. If we get a sweep or anything. Nope. Not taking that 15 second either. That 15 seconds too small. Okay, so there is a 30 second here. The sweep of this, delivery off this, delivery off the 1 minute. Though I don't know how much I like this setup. Also gonna form a 1 minute. Again, I'd prefer us to come down here and sweep this. I don't really like this setup. Really far in premium up here. What I would prefer, to be honest, would be like we deliver off of this, come back down, get a new sweep, get a fair value gap here, something like that. That would be perfect. All right. So we might get this. Though it did disrespect this one here. We closed below this, so not delivering from that technically. So yeah. Probably just forward test this 30-second. Definitely would prefer to wait for something better. We are in the macro right now though. And 1 minute has not closed yet, so. Okay, so closed above 30-second. But not the 1 minute. Oh, my foot is cramping. Okay, so right there would tell us that we're going to go to this high. Horrible RR and in premium. Everything's pretty much wrong with it, so. Let's see if it hits 1R. Out of contracts, I probably have to do 250, take stop loss. So 1R would be here. Probably just gonna break even. And that would be break even right there. Okay, so SMT at the top as well. Should have taken partials, not gonna lie. Held and got greedy. I wouldn't take partials there. What? Here? For 0.2 R? I would not take partials there. It's like, what? $10 partial? $20 partial? I would not do that. I wouldn't say that it's greedy. You entered off 32nd. Still, I would enter with a 200 tick stop loss, so right there. I wouldn't do 150 on that. I would do 2. So it's still 0.6 R. Yeah, points don't really matter. It matters RR. Like, bro, yesterday it was so easy to be up 100 points. Like, bro, there was candles that were over 100 points. Bro, let me go on the 1 minute, dude. Like, look at this. Bro, what is wrong with this? It's one candle, 300 points. Well, that was like the news thing. That one, 86 points, 70 points, 80 points. Like, bro, it was normal for that. 200 points, 150. So, like, points don't really matter. It matters RR, because when you have that many points for take profit, normally your stop loss is going to be a little bit bigger as well. So, if you entered on this 32nd year, don't be mad. Like, bro, if you have a 50-point stop loss and you were up 33 points, it's not that big of a deal. It was up 44 points, so not 1 R. Don't be mad about that, bro. Trust me. I mean, maybe when you saw the SMT, you could have just closed your trade or done partials at the SMT. But other than that, I wouldn't have taken partials there. So maybe if you want to take partials at the SMT, that's one thing. But yeah, I just don't like how that one's in premium. It's so far in premium. I would have wanted one down here if we reswept this or got one initially off of this, but I want more of that banana. Okay, so SMT those highs there. Bro. A fly landed on my bread. All right, let's see. Damn. Bro, how you got the confidence to short when it's going up like that? We have an SMT. And 1 minute is still delivering, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I think we closed above it. Yeah, we closed above it. I don't know how much I like it now that I saw that we closed above it. Yeah, we closed above the 1 minute in the 30-second. I don't want to take it anymore just because we inversed the 1 minute to the upside. So now we should just run this buy side here. And then we could look for a short. What's up, Carlos? I'm looking for us to take out buy side. So I can look for a short. All right, let's see. So we do have a short here with the SMT at the highs. This 30-second. SMT is nice, but I don't know how much I want to take this without us sweeping that high. So there would be break even, and I'm fine with not taking that because I would have been stopped at break even just there. If we get a pullback and then a long to buy side, I'd be fine with that. Like if we sweep this and get a long to buy side, that would look good. As long as we deliver off the 2 minute really quickly. Like if we were to get like good quick like recovery off of that. Like I would not want us to close below it at all. Seems like we're gonna get this long here. Or could get this long here. Are we delivering off of anything? No, not really. A 3 minute there. So we do have a long here. Goes along with the bias. So could be good. Let's see. No sweep or anything, so I don't really like taking a long off of it. SMT right here with ES. This is kind of like a news high as well, this buy side, because of what it came out to, but it's not really a wick. It's not really, it wasn't at 1010. It was a little bit after. Let's see. Do I take this with this draw on liquidity? Let's see. All right. Really bad fill. Because it did take me a second. Okay, so stop at break even. And so that's 1R there. Okay, so stop the break even. Did I lose anything on that? Shouldn't have. Okay, good. I think if I would have gotten, it still wouldn't have been 1R. But if I got even that very bottom tick fill, I would have barely hit 1R. All right, so let me send that to Discord real quick. I was hesitant on entering that, but all right. All right. I'll send that to trade recaps. All right. Still break even on the week. I wouldn't take this. I wouldn't take a 15-second like this, but I would have just forward tested that. We didn't get it though. All right. Yo, how come when I use this thing, the download image, why doesn't it show my executions? Didn't I thought it showed my executions when I did that, but it doesn't. Oh, there we go. Wait, let me put on all. All right. All right, so 15-second entry there. Ooh, that one actually looks really good, though we didn't sweep anything. So, I mean, we did sweep that little one, but dang, bro. Dang. Forward testing this. Okay, so that would have been break even and partials. Could have taken that, bro. And then that would have been break even there. Now, this high is not really a good high to look for because we swept a high inside of a fair value gap. So now that's a protected high. All right, we're not really doing anything now. So SMT those highs. That's why we're rejecting here. This is kind of being annoying. Kind of just going back and forth here. It's kind of choppy. So hopefully we just take out buy side here soon and we can get a short because we are adding a bunch of liquidity here. We have this, this. We have all these different liquidity points. We do have some structure here. So now getting a clean soup like that would be really perfect. Because we do have some structure formed now. It's not like it would just pump into it. So this chop could kind of save us. So we could have, this could honestly be manipulation or accumulation. Like this could be the accumulate, bro. This could be the accumulation, and then we could manipulate up and distribute down. I don't trade AMD, but it's good use as a confluence. If you see it. Same with like turtle soup. Like I don't trade strictly turtle soup, but if we soup this high, then that'd be good. Now, do we have a fair value gap to the net? Okay, we do have a fair value gap to the left of this high. Perfect. 1 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. Okay, 15 minute. So I have delivery. What confluences? Beginners really need to learn the iFVG strat. Most basic is liquidity sweep. Like this. Sweep the liquidity. Inverse fair value gap. Delivery from a fair value gap. This is the most basic things you need to know. Definitely don't like this short here, not this close to buy side. That's A plus depending on the trade. Like A plus, like I don't really like ranking setups that much. But it all depends, bro. Like if you get that in premium, I wouldn't say it's A plus. If you get that in discount, I would say it's A plus. If you have equal lows below, it's invalid. If you take internal first, it's invalid. If you're targeting equal highs, then it would make it more A plus. Like there's like I would just consider that would just make it, that's just the criteria for an entry. A sweep. This is the most basic criteria for an entry. This doesn't make it good or bad. So if you only have one of these just a sweep and an inverse, then it makes it worse. If you have neither, then it's not a setup at all. And then if you have both but equal lows below, then it makes it invalid. If you hit the internal high first, right? Let's say this is the internal. Okay, don't do it right. Let's say this is the internal right here, right? And we swept it when closing, then it's no longer valid. If we have like LRLR below, it wouldn't really consider it as good. If we're in premium, I wouldn't consider it as good. It all depends on the actual scenario, and a lot of it just takes screen time to get. Like I would say I'm just now getting enough screen time to learn where good setups are. And that's why I haven't been taking as many losses anymore. I stopped breaking my rules and I started doing better, and now I'm actually I was break even with not breaking my rules. And now I've been green for a little bit, but I still haven't gotten a payout. I use LRLR in U advantage. What do you mean? Yeah, so if price respect to 1 minute for value gap, it's gonna run the next high, etc. I don't know what's gonna run the next high, but this should. It seems like it's respecting, but it could just go for this one. That's why you have to use multiple confluences. You don't just use one. Oh, that's not a 1 minute. That's a 30 second. I want us to run this high so we can get a short setup. but it doesn't mean we have to. So relative equal lows here. How much are they off by? 2 ticks. 2 ticks with this volume. I'll take it. 40-point candles. Bro, if we can even get a fair value gap, bro, what is this price action, bro? Like, bro, this is horrible. I'm so glad I was not trading. I was at work. I had seen somebody took this one. This is not a bad setup. Someone took this. And they got stopped at break even. And then someone else didn't move stop to break even until they took 1R. But I would have been stopped at break even if I took that. Oh my gosh, that SMT really, bro, is really holding us down. This SMT, are you serious? I realized I got stopped to the tick. Oh, you took it. There was 2 people that took it, but 1 person did move their stop to break even, and then the long just now. What long just now? You got stopped to the tick. What long? Talking about 15 second, 30 second. I don't see long. 9:51. Pass me something. Ease my soul. Oh. Yeah, I didn't take it. It just closed. Like, it's not like the one from yesterday where it just closed super far. It's in premium, and we closed like literally like, bro. We closed right here, so it's like we were literally right at break even. So it got stopped at break even really, really quickly, and then just pumped. Oh, you entered on the 30-second. You said though, right? Yeah. Mine would have been stopped at break even to the tick because I put my stop at break even. I put it like a point above, so mine would have been my stop at break even would have been here. Yeah, that's what I do. See, look, my break even from today, I'm up $7. I don't like going negative because of break evens. It's a break even for a reason. It's not supposed to be red. Yeah, we're not getting any fair value gaps right now. Let's take the 15-second. Barely anything on the 15-second either, bro. What? 30-second, really tiny one that I would not take. All right. Yeah, this is PA's choppy. Hopefully we get something in the macro. We have what? We have 23 minutes into the macro. 22 minutes now. All right, so we're getting some good momentum up. Hopefully we sweep this, leave it for value gap, get a short. Good volume coming in now. What are your macros? 950 to 1050 or ooh, do I use the 850 macro? Okay, I would say 950 to 1010, 1050 to 1110. And then technically 850 is also a macro. 850 to 910 is also technically a macro. Now you have to understand how to use macros though. It's not just like higher probability to take a setup in it. You have to look for the draw on liquidity. Because macros run liquidity. You don't just take a random setup. You never take a random setup. What are we doing right now, bro? Bro, an SMT again at those highs, bro. Did my camera die? No, my camera died. Camera died. Oh, no setups. Bro, Ian, I was watching a video, bro. Ian, I was watching a video. But I muted it because I didn't know what he was going to say. I am break even today. But as you can see, there's no fair value gaps on the charts, Ian. There's no fair value gaps on the charts. Price is being really bad today, bro. Look at this. But yesterday was good though. Though I was break even yesterday. Who would have guessed? I caught out a winning trade yesterday. I just didn't take it. Take a 3-day long short future trust. You take a long and a short. Why are you in my chat, Ian Bellum? You need to get out of my chat. Bro, answer Discord, bro. Yo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you mean, why is it so quiet? So buy side is less than 1 hour away if I take this, so I don't want to take this. And we're also like the farthest possible in premium right now. So I was just forward test this. Bro, what? Trading. Trade, bro. Trading. Bro, I've been voice cracking since we were in school. Don't act like you don't know that. Bro. Bro, I literally shaved. Nobody said that, bro. Oh, is that true? I'm hitting back today with Nick. I got the hooks, like the lifting hooks, not the straps. Dude, they're so goated. Like what? Like what? Why do you want to go to Spain so bad? Oh yeah, going to Israel is such a good idea right now, Ian. Oh yeah, Gaza is such a good idea too. Yes, I want to go to China. China has amazing cities. Yeah, ask my girlfriend. Like what? I already know what you're gonna say, and I'm gonna slap the shit out of you. Do you know what I'm talking about? I don't care about that. I never told her she couldn't go to one of those. She's already went to one of those. Not concert. Yeah. I don't care. She's already been to a concert. Bro, no. Guys, I don't know why we're not hitting this liquidity, bro. I don't know what we're doing right now. Might be no more trades today. What? What? Sure. Guys, I'm gonna unmute so you guys can hear who I'm talking to. I think I can hear you. Yeah.
All right. How many viewers you got right now?
11. I'm going to the gym with Nick today. We're hitting back. I already told you.
Damn it, bro! I left my upgrade base active on Clash of Clans, bro, and it's getting raided.
That sucks for you.
Shit. Yeah, I know.
But your mic is actually so loud. I gotta turn you down on stream.
All right.
No, you're good. I just saw how loud you were in comparison to me, and you were louder than me.
You switched gyms yet or no?
No, probably not going to. What? Solo Leveling Season 3 comes out this year? What? Yo, Ian, you have to watch Social Leveling. I mean Solo Leveling.
No, I will.
For Season 3 comes out this year. I thought it was coming out next year.
In The Walking Dead right now, though.
I heard that it was coming out in like 2026. New season arriving July 3rd. That's actually crazy. They literally just finished releasing season 2. But they have enough manga to write like 7 seasons. I was talking to some guy in my work who reads the manga. This price doing. We have 10 more minutes till the macro. Or 9 more minutes till the macro, my bad. I'm gonna go grab a water.
Not Gatorade. I thought you were bulking.
I am bulking. Yo, Ian.
Yeah.
Did Filthy say wake up, wake up?
What?
Filthy said wake up, wake up.
Bro.
I think us sweeping buy side before sweeping buy side on, like sweeping buy side on ES before sweeping buy side on NQ is really what's causing us to not take this right now, or what's causing us to chop right here. because we already took it on one but didn't take it on the other. So we have an SMT, but it's a really big important buy side. So I'm assuming NQ wants to hit it, but ES already hit it, so it's causing it some problems. Yo, I'm getting pissed with these flies in my house, bro.
There's flies in your house.
Yes, bro. I'm about to kill this thing, bro. I've been knocking them out the air with towels, bro. I think it's still alive. Oh no, I got it, bro. That hoe dead.
Why are you talking like a hot Cheeto girl?
Yo, I don't like touching bugs. I need to get more paper towel. Yo, Ian, when are we starting our new Minecraft realm?
I'm not starting a Minecraft world right now.
What do I pay for it?
Bro, I genuinely don't think I have the time to do that right now. Especially not over the summer, bro. I have summer classes I gotta take.
We're just making excuses to not lock in.
Bro, you are straight up telling me to get on fucking Minecraft.
Alright, let's see if we deliver off of this 15 minute.
I'm gonna deliver you, bro.
Alright, bro. So we just swept the relative equal lows. But you're echoing. So that short is actually printing. So we tapped into that 15 minute. Oh, so no 2 minute now. We kind of just build right through that. And this high here is now a high resistant liquidity because it's inside of this fair value gap. So not really the best target there either. Maybe we'll get maybe one more leg here, like this. One more sweep of this would be good. Or not. Seems like we're not going to get that. I thought we would. But you're echoing.
I'm not even saying anything.
No, I'm echoing in your microphone.
Oh shit. How? What the fuck? I'm on my phone.
I don't know. Maybe forward test this. Maybe paper trade this. Maybe we'll get what I wanted before. One more leg. We got 22 seconds to see if we come down here. All right, let's see. This candle could be promising. Or not. Yeah, or not. So right now we have this really small 30-second. Bro, what are you doing right now?
I'm eating my food. I'm about to go to the gym.
Oh, I'm gonna go to sleep after this.
But you just said you're going to the gym with Nick.
Yeah, after I go to sleep.
Oh.
I can't believe the 1 minute close like that. That looks so trash.
Yeah, right.
Bruh. So this would be the long that we have here. Maybe 15-second looks better. 15-second looks a lot better. I'll forward test this 15-second. But I would also want the 30-second to close as well. Ooh, okay. Oh, come on, bro. That looked like we were gonna get a good candle there.
Yep, another break even day.
Probably. Bro, why you acting like break even's a bad thing?
Just kidding, bro.
Break even is not bad, bro. I
Bro, I
could
don't
be
even
losing.
trade.
Shut the hell up. Commandment number 2, there's nothing I can do about the sun. Commandment number 3, there are no more Jolly Ranchers. They're all gone. Commandment number 4, when we pass a billboard, please don't read it out loud, all right? Now, come on. All right, listen up. Before we go any further...
Dude, yeah.
What?
Like what I just sent you
Oh, what?
on Instagram.
Bro, that is so racist.
Bro, actually look at what I sent you, bro.
Hey, hold on.
Hurry up.
No. Bro, you sent me a post from Hatsune Miku something? Not watching that shit.
Look at it, bro.
Not watching that shit.
Bro, look at it, bro. Please. Please, bro, just look at the
You
picture.
should have kept your name as Logan Bow Trades.
Bro, alright, bro. Look at what I sent you, bro. Or you're gonna piss me off.
Bro, do I PYO?
What?
FR?
Bro, you're PMO, bro. You PMORN. Bro, look at what I sent you. Bro, look at what I sent you.
No. I'm busy right now, little bro.
Bro. Or what? I just saw some stupid video saying back testing is the same as live trading, bro.
Or what? Why on earth would they say something like that?
It makes no
It's
sense,
blasphemous.
bro. All right.
Bro, my archer queen just died. Damn.
Can I see your arch? Yo, Ian.
Yo,
Did you hear me?
no. What's that?
Nothing, bro. Nothing.
Okay, that's what I thought, pal. Small fry.
I'm gonna hit 200 soon. Don't worry.
200 what?
Pounds, bro.
I thought you were talking about subscribers.
Bro, what? Okay, there's no setup here to long on after sweeping that low.
Why did you buy like subscribers though? I don't understand that.
Bro, I did not buy subscribers, bro.
Yes, you did, bro.
No, I
Put that on
didn't,
God.
bro. If I bought
Put that on God,
subscribers,
you never bought subs.
bro, you literally know I can't say that.
Yeah, I know you can't say that.
The Bible literally tells you not to say that. It says your word should be enough.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Bro. I spelled that wrong. But bro, if I wanted to buy if I would have just bought subscribers, why would I post on my Instagram story all the time? Get me to 900 subs. If I wanted to, I would have just
Bro,
bought
like begging
subscribers.
for change on the side of the road.
I am, bro. I am begging for change on the side of the road. I needed 1,000 subs.
I'm going to the gym, bro. I'll see you later.
All right, see, bro. There's nothing for me to really commentate. I mean, we could forward test this 15-second if we get it. Bro, I do not. What are we even doing right now, dude? What is going on? Probably just gonna be break even. Kind of sucks. Tapped into that last 1 minute there. 2 minute to forward test possibly. Though I doubt we'll have this 2 minute here. What's up, Elijah? How many likes does the stream have? Damn, we got 6 likes. I didn't know we were at 6 likes, bro. That's good. Thank you, guys. Unfortunately, probably a no trade day today. What's up, Elijah? Just been trading and working. Eight likes now. Damn, thank you. Let's go. Oh, it says 7. Probably not gonna get anything else today, guys. We had a minute and a half until 11. Technically, kill zone goes to 11:10, but I highly doubt we're gonna get anything with 10 more candles. So I'll end the stream at 11.
Dude, you're spending so much money on
Shaped like a brick with absolutely zero aerodynamics.
I was working one trap. Bro, this is so boring. Price today is so boring. Exactly at 11, I'm gonna end the stream. So thank you guys for joining up. Unfortunately, no trades today. Dodgy took no trades today too. I just checked his Discord. So yeah, we're doing good. But yeah. Just comparing myself to someone that's better. Yeah. Yeah, bro, nothing here. Oh my gosh. All right, 10 seconds.